Didn't feel like talking. I'm tired. But I saw the setup. I'll run you through it. Okay. Gold mid high, mid low. We put the fibs on it, right? Came here, 25% retracement. Here it's crossing above, closing above the EMA and the 25%. A little bit of a fake out here, and then I saw some quick, violent, bullish candles added to the position. And profit target 75% retracement. So you can see it got tagged. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, boom. Tagged the 75%. Sold off to the 50. So that was my exit. As per my strategy, compounding, base hits. That's a base hit, ladies and gentlemen. Why am I taking off at the 75% retracement? Well, it's got high odds. From the 25 to the 75% is higher odds of it being hit than the 25 to the 100% retracement. So, you know, if you just want to build up a base and get some padding, these are base hits, you know, and they add up quick, and it's compounding. And then once you get your position size established, then you can start, you know, letting it run, you know, like now, you know. So ideally, I always say 4 contracts minimum, because you could take one off here, TP1, TP2, TP3, and then the 4th contract is the runner, because you don't know how high it can go, right? Sometimes she just goes, and then you just trail your stop up accordingly. So, but right now I'm just focusing on these base hits, just 25 to the 75% retracement. And yeah, okay, so another good, clean, fast trade. Until the next one, later.